Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Malik and today I will show you how you can clean your engine bay properly. So this is my Grand Vitara strong hybrid. So I have covered 31,000 kilometers on this car and this is the first time I'm cleaning the engine bay. So step 1 is spray degreaser all over your engine bay. And you don't have to buy any particular degreaser. You can buy any degreaser from any company which is available nearby. Don't use anything else other than a degreaser. So don't use all-purpose cleaner or any other cleaner. Only use a degreaser because this is the right way and the degreaser is the only thing which can clean your engine bay. So after spraying degreaser, use a soft brush and make sure you let the degreaser stay for a minute or two. Once you are done with the brushing, use water to clean. Do not use pressure washer. You can use air to dry the engine bay or you can let it dry naturally. Once everything is cleaned and it is dry completely, now it is time to protect it. Here I am using a different kind of plastic polish which does not attract any dust particle, it will repel it. Both the products that I have used are from the Gliptone brand. So the degreaser is called the engine wash and this plastic polish is called HyperShine. Do not use dashboard polish or any other kind of sticky polish which attracts dust particles. After letting it settle for some time, and this is how my engine bay looks now.